In this video, we will talk about the anatomy of the skin. What is epithelium of skin? The skin is the largest organ of the body, consisting of epithelial layers that serve as a barrier and provide protection. What are the functions of epithelium? It has following functions: protection against physical, chemical, and microbial harm, prevention of water loss, sensory perception. What are the layers of skin? Skin has 3 layers. Number 1, epidermis. It is the outermost layer. It is composed of stratified squamous keratinized epithelium. It is avascular. Number 2, dermis. It is below the epidermis. It contains connective tissue, blood vessels, nerves, and appendages like sweat glands and hair follicles. Number 3, hypodermis. It is the deepest layer. It is made up of adipose tissue and loose connective tissue. What is the epithelium of skin? Epithelium of skin is present in epidermis. It is stratified squamous keratinized epithelium. It contains keratin, a protein that provides strength and waterproofing. What are the layers of epithelium of skin? It has 5 layers of cells. Stratum corneum. It is the outermost layer of dead, flattened, keratinized cells. Stratum lucidum. It is found only in thick skin of palms and soles. It is a clear, translucent layer. Stratum granulosum. It is a layer of flattened cells, with keratohyalin granules. Stratum spinosum. It has several layers of polygonal cells, connected by desmosomes. The last layer is Stratum Basale. It is a single layer of cuboidal to columnar cells. It has metodically active cells. These are stem cells for regeneration of skin. Types of skin, based on epithelium thickness. There are 2 types of skin based on the thickness of epithelium. These are thick skin, thin skin. Thick skin. It is located in palms of hands, soles of feet. It has following features: thicker stratum corneum, presence of stratum lucidum, lacks hair follicles and sebaceous glands. Thin skin. It is located on rest of the body. It has following features: thin stratum corneum, no stratum lucidum, contains hair follicles, sebaceous glands, and sweat glands. What are the specialized structures of skin epithelium? It has 3 special structures. Melanocytes. These are located in the stratum basale. They produce melanin, which protects against UV radiation. Langerhans cells. It is found in the stratum spinosum. It functions as immune cells. Merkel cells. It is located in the stratum basale. It is involved in sensory perception. Clinical correlation. Burns. Damage to the epithelial barrier can lead to fluid loss and infection. Skin cancer. It is of 3 types. Basal cell carcinoma. It originates in stratum basale. Squamous cell carcinoma. It affects keratinocytes in the stratum spinosum. Melanoma. It arises from melanocytes.